Hello, everybody. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Gina, and we are Color Street
Color
Friends.
Street Friends.
We'll work on it.
This is where we talk about all things Color Street nail strips.
Listen, this is a crazy time, and your favorite Color Street design or color may be out of stock right now.
That's right. And we're just asking that you be a tiny bit patient with the warehouse staff as they work on the restocks.
And be kind to your Color Street stylists and the customer service reps. These people, they're doing God's work.
And Mr. Park, founder and CEO of Color Street, he's not going to let us down.
In fall, we trust.
So in the meantime, why not order some styles and colors that are in stock? Or you can reach out to your favorite Color Street stylist and see what she has on hand. Let's have some fun.
Exactly! Like I am wearing St. Patrick's Day strips. They're so fun, and it gives you an excuse to drink anytime.
Oh, that's right. And I'm wearing ho ho hot Christmas strips. It can be Christmas any time of the year. And I don't even celebrate Christmas.
Listen, we don't even know what day of the week it is, let alone the month.
Exactly. So be sure to share this message with all of the people that love Color Street as much as we do.
And we do love them. I mean, they are fabulous.
Fabulous. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Gina. And remember,
Love your nails.
Love your nails.
Love your nails.
You know, I really could go for that drink right now.
Me too. L'chaim.
Santa?
Oy vey.